Hey everybody, it's Josh, Valley RV Supercenter. I'm going to show you one of the best couples coaches that I can picture that is still half-ton towable. So right here we have the Jayco Jay Feather 19 MRK. This is a 4-season rated 0 to 100 degrees travel trailer coming in at just under 5,100 pounds dry. Come on in and let's take a look. Right off the bat, you're going to see with this slide with the theater seats, massive floor space. I've done this in other videos. It only takes about 6 seconds. And there is your beautiful Murphy bed. The slide will still operate with the Murphy bed down. So if you never want to put it up, you never have to. But it is quite literally that simple. Moving forward, when you want to just hang out and relax, we go to our recliners and relax. So moving around, this is one of the things I love the most about this. I do the cooking. You can't ask for more counter space, especially in a 19-foot travel trailer. This one is also optioned with the electric fireplace. TV is up top, 3-burner cooktop with oven, microwave, double sink, phenomenal 12-volt refrigerator. Going into the nice bathroom area, lots of storage for all your goodies, and your beautiful shower that has plenty of room for someone just under 6 foot with, I'm not even in the skylight. So if this is something you'd like to know more about, feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text. You can get me anytime at 253-737-2048. Let's go camping.